What if I told you that you could become anyone in seconds? Not just a face filter, not a cheap digital overlay, but a full body transformation that tracks every movement, every hand gesture, and even the tiniest facial expression perfectly. This isn't some Hollywood level VFX magic that costs a fortune or requires a studio team. This is something you can do right now from your laptop in just a few minutes. Welcome to Higgsfield Recast, the next generation of AI video creation. It's the first ever Gen AI tool that replaces your entire body, keeps your gestures stable, clones your voice, and even dubs your video into 6 different languages, all inside one simple, intuitive workflow. Think of it as your personal production studio, powered entirely by AI. No actors, no motion capture suits, no green screens. You simply upload your clip, pick a character, and hit recast. The result? A video that looks filmed, not faked. Today, I'm going to show you one of the most powerful and exciting AI tools I've ever tried, Higgsfield Recast. With this tool, you can swap characters and voices in your videos in just minutes, and the results are so realistic that it looks like it was actually filmed that way. If you're into video creation, content editing, ads, or just want to experiment with AI video magic, this is a game changer. The link to try Higgsfield Recast is right below in the description, so make sure to check it out after the video. All right, let's get started. First of all, you need to create an account on the Higgsfield website. It's completely free to sign up. Once you log in, you'll see a few options on the dashboard, but the one we're focusing on today is called Recast. So simply click on the Recast section, and this is where all the magic happens. Here, you can instantly swap characters in any video. With just a single click, you can replace faces, voices, or even change the entire vibe of your video. It literally unlocks endless creative possibilities. Now, let's walk through the process. You'll see the option to upload your video. So I'm going to choose one from my computer. Here's the one I'll be using for this tutorial. Click Upload. Once your video is uploaded, it's time to upload the character image you want to swap into the video. This can be any clear portrait photo of the person you want to replace the original character with. So I've selected the image. Now I'll just click Generate Video. And here we go. In just a few seconds, the AI processes everything and boom, you can see the result. It has beautifully swapped the face in the video, keeping all the expressions and movements natural. It honestly looks like it was shot with this new person from the start. And the best part? You can download it instantly with just one click. Now, let's explore more powerful features by clicking on Try Full Recast Studio. Here, you get access to a whole range of creative tools. First, let's talk about character selection. You can pick from multiple preset characters, both boys and girls, or simply upload your own face photo to personalize it. You can even experiment with different styles and avatars. Next, we have the voice and dubbing section. This part is absolutely brilliant. You can add new voices or dub your existing videos into different languages. Perfect if you want to reach a global audience. Just click on All, and you'll see a wide selection of voices and languages. You can preview each voice before applying it.
Love is composed of a single soul inhabiting 2 bodies.
In the theater of life, kindness is the star performance.
Rivers stretch their arms to the sea's open embrace.
Honestly, I still have days where I feel lost, but even then, I know.
Fitness is the key to a happy and healthy life.
They've got tons of languages like English, Hindi, Italian, Russian, and many more, so you can localize your content effortlessly. Below that, there's the background option. You can choose to keep the original background or replace it with something totally different, like a green screen, cozy room, or even a studio setting. Let's test it out, and this time, I'll replace the main character with a female avatar. Click Generate, and just look at that. The face is swapped perfectly, and it looks super natural. You can download this version easily with a single click too. Now, let's try another one. This time, I'll replace the character with a male avatar and also change the background to something fun, like cozy pink. Hit Generate. And there it is. The new character appears instantly and the background has changed beautifully. You can preview or download the final result right away. And for creators who want flexibility, you can also use green screen mode. Just select the green screen background, generate your video, and then later edit or composite it however you like. It's perfect for ads, tutorials, or creative storytelling videos. Now, let's quickly talk about the pricing plans because they're pretty affordable considering how advanced this tool is. The basic plan starts at just $9 per month. The Pro plan starts at $17.40 per month if billed annually. The Ultimate plan is $29 per month, and the Creator plan is $149 per month, designed for professionals who create a lot of content. With the Creator plan, you get 6,000 credits per month, and with the Ultimate plan, you get 1,200 credits per month. You also get access to all the latest video models like Google Nano, Banana, Seedream 4.0, and Imagination, giving you more variety and higher quality results. So there you have it, Higgsfield Recast, one of the most powerful AI video editing tools out there right now. Whether you're creating ads, tutorials, TikToks, or YouTube videos, Recast lets you bring your ideas to life with just a few clicks, no expensive shoots, no actors, no complex software needed. I'm seriously impressed by how fast and realistic the results are, and I think you'll love experimenting with it too. The link to try Higgsfield Recast is in the description below, so go check it out and start creating your own AI magic today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing AI tools and tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.